What up YouTube? Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. We're doing this thermostat change on a 1992 Force 120 horsepower outboard motor. So I ordered this kit off of eBay from Mastertech Marine. The thing got here in like 2 days, which was epic. So we're going to be doing the change out. The kit came with a gasket, some kind of rubber washer, and then the thermostat. It looks like we're only going to need a flathead screwdriver to do this. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the thermostat's located at the back of the engine at the top here above the spark plugs. There's 4 bolts for this guy, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we'll look at this. This is the inside here. This big spring came out. I may not need to change this. I'm just doing it for precautions. You know, the thermostat is one of those cheap parts that gets overlooked a lot. Same with the thermo switch, and both of them can save your motor. Oh, not too bad. Okay, so we'll remove the ring here. And we can get out that rubber washer that we're going to replace. Alright, let's get to putting this back together. As always guys, I'll list all the parts, part numbers, and tools in the description. I'll also give the link to where I picked this up, this kit up off of eBay. And you know, for 30 bucks it's not bad, especially when you're buying a used motor. Anyway, I'm going to take off the old gasket, and as you can see it's pretty burnt on there, so it looks like I'm gonna have to play a little bit to get the rest of this off here. With that said, it's good that I bought the kit with the gasket. So a lot of this stuff I saw just the thermostat, and like I said, on eBay I found the kit, so I really am glad that I ended up doing that. Alright guys, got that gasket cleaned off of there now, so let's get to putting this thing back together. So first step was our rubber O-ring here, and the cupped part, hopefully you can see that there, goes out, so we're going to go ahead and put that in there like so. And we're going to follow it up with our clip here. That thing's soft, so be careful guys. Alright, so let's get the thermostat. It's going to go in this direction. Go ahead and get it placed. Okay, got our spring here. I went ahead and cleaned some of the corrosion off with some steel wool. And we're going to go ahead and put this over the thermostat. Then we've got our cover plate with the new gasket on. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the spring into that circular part. Hopefully you can see that. And then we're going to go ahead and push it down and see if we can't start a couple of these screws. Alrighty, happy campers, so that completes the installation process for this thermostat on this 1992 Force 120 horsepower outboard motor. So be sure to like and give us a subscribe guys, and we'll see you next time. Peace!